gotta catch another flight. Yeah. The apple bottom make them wanna bite. Yeah. I just wanna have a good night. I just wanna have a good night. Hold up.
I did my braid, but I'm so
fucking head shit.
it's always something, you know.
I also got a whole nother lip on my mouth. I just woke up with this pimple like 2 days ago, and then when I woke up today, it was stupid big. So I put some pimple cream on it.
It's like 3 minutes to 8 o'clock, and I'm supposed to be ready at 8:30. I'm supposed to be going to the movies today. I'm like, yo, let me do a get ready with me. Let me do a get ready with me in mad long. I should get another mirror. I'm going to the movies with. I've been knew them mad years ago. We never actually like went anywhere together or anything. I got eye boogers. Yo, I barely do my makeup. I don't be feeling like it. It's cute once it's done, but coming home at night having a chick pull that makeup off and do your whole skin routine, I'm not a big fan of it like at all. I'd rather just not do no makeup. Probably lazy, but like, is it? It's not giving it song. Hope y'all enjoyed my last self-care video thingy that I did. Good mental health reset. An old friend put me onto this song. That's probably the best thing she ever did. Why the person I'm supposed to be going to the movies with texting me like, oh, I'm off edibles, I'm smacked. You wanna go at 9:30 or you wanna go at 10:30? I'm like 9:30 because I'm hungry. Oh, I'm smacked. Da 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 da.
It will give definitely much. Stay home, record this video, wash my face, or make TikToks or something. Like, please do not pay on my phone today. Please do not pay on my phone today.
I am using the e.l.f. 16-Hour Candle Concealer Matte Finish in the shade Cinnamon. And I use the e.l.f. Instant Brow Lift Pencil to fill in my brows. That's why I'm into my wifey. Eyebrows is the hardest part. I kind of hate this part, but you gotta do good because this is gonna be how you look. Okay, so it took me like 30 minutes to do these little bum ass eyebrows. I barely like them, but the best is gonna get. They kind of cute. And I'm using Beauty Bakery Bite Size Pinch of Flour. I've been using this for a very long time now. I saw a black girl on a picture and I had to get it. I'm like, ooh, a black girl on a advertisement in Target. I was like, this must work for me. I'm kind of going for like a natural beat today, like not too much. Like, I don't want to look like I tried too hard. Like, I want to look good, but I don't want to look like I tried too hard. Some of my beats could get very much, how many hours that took, like. No. It's like this don't happen too often. It's the way you new playlist. She feeling hot that I make that bitch pose and I get up this every time that I post. Nigga feeling gotta play it cool. Calm eyeshadow. Y'all don't even want to see this eyeshadow thing. I don't know what happened to it. I'm not even gonna lie. The thing wasn't closing it at a point, and then it just kept getting messed up. I don't care. I'm still gonna use it. Like, what? And I'm using this. Ooh. I need to get into my outside vibes. Foundation and the shade Blue Caledonia. Ever since I started using this, I never stopped. So I'm definitely gonna have to re-up on it. My mirror right here. Ooh! I should be putting it on my hand, but I don't like putting it on my hand. Foundation, bro. That's a boy, everybody get killed. If you like, you get popped like a pill. 2 shots hit him nice, stuck on wheels. Hey, you was saving the store. I know I slap a track on this. The eyes, because I do got oily ass under eyes. So this is where I'm placing it. This is my Morphe. 50 million when I'm 55. Yo, homie, be a witness. Question time. medium to dark to contour.
You hurt my conscience, he unresponsive. I got came up with today, look.
This looks stupid right now. I don't feel like blending it out. Oh my god. I just put my makeup on. I want to do it and then do it. I don't want to do it. I'm making a YouTube video right now. Say what's up. I'm chilling. How you feeling? Yeah, I see you at work. I gotta come to the center on Monday at like 3:30 or 4. Okay, I set my face. Now I need to my camera's dying. I really gotta get a new battery. I gotta get a new battery. Like priorities. So my makeup is basically done. This is the final phase. Basically, I got dressed for no reason. I did my braids for no reason because the person I was supposed to be going outside with, they just canceled and they trying to offer to buy me food. I don't want the food. I wanted to go outside. I didn't even really want to go outside, so God probably knew. But damn me, after I spent an hour on my makeup and I spent another 30 minutes on my braids, I could have left it in my little synthetic bun. That's why I don't go outside this late. First I was mad and I was disappointed, but now I'm like, fuck that. It was definitely like a waste. Basically, like, who does their makeup just to sit in the house? Like, I've been stopped doing that. But I'm gonna finish my makeup, because how am I just gonna leave it like this? Like, I'm not gonna leave it like this just because somebody canceled plans on me. I tried to call my friend so we could go outside. It's already 10 o'clock. Like, I'm not going. I'm not going. It's 10 o'clock. Ooh! I'm about to just roll up and look cute while I smoke. Better get ready with me over such a disappointment.